slaloms. Nice looking slaloms. Beautiful hose management. David brings the word pro to a whole nother level. David Rippey. Backflip dolphin. Smooth transition. Look at that technique by Rippey. Rippey's got his own headphones in there, rocking off to his own world. We'd all love to know what song he's got. Beautiful reverse dolphin. Gorgeous looking. David Rippey tearing it up. Here we go. Double! Perfect double by David Rippey! Nails it. I think he's happy. Gorgeous looking double. That was tight. Oh, just to show he can do it again. Little pocket between him, a beautiful technique. Rippey's on it today. Oh, toe grab to a dolphin. Right now, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. Double knee banger. And pulls the Superman off into a backflip. Damon Rippey has done this before. One more.
One more.
Big swan backflip. Give it up for Damon Rippey.